Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car. We have a really fun video to do with you guys today. So Gabe and I were trying to think of what color we're gonna do for this week's video. We were standing in front of the gallon section in the warehouse and we were thinking, well, maybe we can combine this with this, or maybe this pearl can go over this. And I happened to say, well, I wanna do something with tactical green. What about mixing tactical green and snow white? And Gabe's response was, and I quote, no, that would look horrible. And there's something about Gabe being afraid or totally turned off by a color combo that immediately makes me want to do it. I don't know if it's a lack of maturity or like an excitement that I find in a dangerous or potentially terrible color combination, but right away I said, great, well that's the color we're doing, so pull the gallons and let's get started. So today we're combining tactical green and snow white. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. And I do remember before we started mixing these gallons, Gabe said, this is gonna look just like the paint that somebody's grandma has on their walls. He really was not excited about this color combo at all. But I figured, hey, it's gonna be a matte, drab, kind of military-looking color potentially, and the RS6 can pull that off all day long, so it can't be that bad, right? Well, we're gonna take the car out right now, and I want you guys to check it out. And then I want you to leave a comment below. And number one, let me know if you think this was as bad as Gabe thought it was gonna be. And number two, I want you guys to name this color for me as well. If you wanna dip your own car, click right up here. We have a ton of colors and kits to choose from. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's Fonzie. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, honestly, what do you think of the color now that we did it?
I think it deserves to go in someone's grandmother's bathroom.
You don't like it at all? Are you glad we did it at least?
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, I mean, it's worth doing. Do you want it on your car?
No.
Okay. What do you think about it?
I think it's a 10 out of 10 Slicker Butte.
Slicker Butte. You like it?
I love it.
I like it. All right, what do you think about it?
So to me, it looks like Avalanche with like a slight mint green to it. Very hipster color.
You like it though? You like it or hate it?
It's growing on me.
Yeah, it's not bad, right?
Yeah.